If the belt of your treadmill is slipping, pausing, or hesitating, it may be caused by a loose belt. Adjusting the tension of the walking belt will resolve most slipping issues. Some treadmills also have an adjustable drive belt. If the drive belt is too loose, you will find the same kind of slipping issues may be felt. To tighten the drive belt on treadmills that have an alternator-style drive belt adjustment, first remove the motor hood. Identify the motor mount pivot bolts and loosen them. These bolts do not need to be fully removed. Pull the motor away from the drive roller to put more tension on the belt. In some cases, it may be helpful to have a second person step on the motor to apply more force to make the belt tighter. The best tension for the belt is to make it only tight enough to prevent the belt from slipping. The looser the belt is, the less wear and tear there will be on your treadmill. Test the machine by walking or running on it. If the slipping still occurs, make additional adjustments to tighten the belt until the slipping is gone. If the slipping does not improve, there may be another cause. Please see our videos on adjusting the walking belt and performing white line tests. When the belt is properly adjusted, replace the motor hood cover.